Well, my friend, it's Ian again, and welcome to this video. Thanks for watching this. Okay, I've got an update for you, and we've got a new tool. So I am right now in the Pro Members area. So let's have a look at this. So you know what the Pro Member looks like, because a lot of you are Pro Members. And incidentally, welcome to all our newer ones. There's been quite a few just lately, and we're grateful for that. But there are a number of tools. So let's have a look at this. Brand new one here, dead simple, really simple. A password generator. Now, this is what I used to do when I first started. When I first started online, I used to have a business where I used to make wooden furniture. So part of my um, business was, part of my passwords were that business name, and then a little bit of my date of birth, and so on and so forth. Now, the thing is this, and then I made a mistake of saying to somebody that I always use the same username and the same password. Now, using the same username is good. That's okay. That's okay. So a lot of the things that I join, I use Buildabiz. Um, but when it comes to a password, never ever use the same one for every program. And I'll tell you for why. Um, After me telling somebody that I use the same username and password, somebody logged into an account, which was really easy because I told them what my username and password was while I was making a video and didn't realize it. They logged into that and they tried to take my commissions out of that program. Okay. So what I'm saying is try not to tell anybody. If you're doing a video like this, never show people your username and your password. But on a regular basis, what I suggest you do is to change your passwords and make them as complicated as possible. And then copy and paste them into a notepad or something like that. Or take a photograph of them using your smartphone. Then only you can access your phone. Okay, so with this one that Martin has built, you can choose how many characters you want. So let us just say 20. And we can simply generate a passcode. But some passwords, some programs, they demand that you use uppercase and a number and maybe some characters or symbols. So you could choose all of these. Now, one program I joined the other day didn't like symbols, so I omitted that when I created the password. But just to show you with all three clicked and the choice of 20 characters, and you generate a password, that's what it produces. That you can then take a photo of it if you wish to do that. I use RoboForm, so I can carry this over to RoboForm, and that is unique to me, so nobody can get into that. Okay, now then, you can copy it, and it tells you it's copied, and then you can go over to your notepad and put it there. Okay, so that's an important tool, and I suggest you do that possibly every 6 months. Change your passwords to the programs that you belong to. Okay, so that was a great request. Now then, we're coming back to our banner builder again, a simple banner builder. Okay, so if we click on there, we see a couple of additions. I believe I've already mentioned that you can put backgrounds onto your banners. So this is just here. In fact, let me go over to the Pro Members tools because some of these are limited. Now, if you could see here, you can load and you can save your templates. Okay, so this is where you would say that you'd, let me just have a look. Let's just do one here. Okay, so say that we'd created this and all the text was correct, but I'm just using this as a demo. Then you can click on here. But the thing is, this is pro only. Now, why do we not give free members a lot of access to certain things? It's because the pro members are actually paying us, and we are taking those fees and paying them out in commissions, but also we're developing all the time, and so that needs to be paid for. Okay, so if we come over to the pro member, and let's come down to the banner, pro banner generator, just here. And incidentally, I've tidied up the members area as well, the pro members area as well. Okay, so under splash and capture page building, there is 10 tools there. There is 5 tools for banner building. Email tools, we've got 4, and then additional Buildabizonline tools, there is 7 there. Okay, now then, also we admit that some tools we didn't create them. They are third-party tools, and we cannot support these. You can send support a ticket to say this is not working properly, but we cannot do anything to alter any of these. The rest of them, we can. We can alter everything else, okay? We've got over 30 tools with those additional third-party tools, and there's more tools coming. So look out for those. Now then, when it comes to pro banner generation, and let us say we choose, and you don't have these with free, you've got these with the free membership, but you haven't got these two here. Okay, so I'm going to click onto that one. And you do know, because I've sent you an update, you can add background pictures. So in the background, you can have pictures. And what we'll do one day is to download and give you access to backgrounds for 468 banners and the other sizes that we do. Okay. Now this is a great tool that you can use. Now let us say that we had finished with this, so we're going to download it. Okay. So what we do is right click it and then we save it. Okay. Now another great tool is if you want to keep the same design on a different size, like say that size, and you choose the template, it will save everything that you alter in here. I'm not going to do that right now because I've shown that in another video. Okay, so no matter what size you change, let's just show you. Let me just copy this twice. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, so copy, and then I'm going to click just here. Come on, baby. And then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so let us just say that we'd type something in there. Now, when you choose another size, say 300 by 250, okay, you've already got the text in there. Okay, all you got to do then to match the other ones is to choose the template. So that's a great thing. Now, once you've done with a template, what you can then do is click here, save the banner settings. Now, we're going to name it. Now, I've tried this out, so I'm up to banner 3 now. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. And then let's refresh this. So it's all blank again. What I can do then, if I want to go back and edit those some more, we've already saved them onto our PCs. So what we could do is go find them. Okay, and there it is, banner 3 So banner 3, banner settings. So I click on there and I click open, and there it is. It's loaded it again for me to work on and alter the text. Okay, so they're the updates for now, and would like to, no doubt, you'd like to say thank you to Martin for all his hard work. Now, this is going on YouTube, so you could thank him there. If you want any other additions on here, I think he's going to add some drop down shadow on the text and things like that next. Okay, he's a very busy man, but he's a hard worker, I can tell you that now. So he'll be adding things, and this will be one of the best banner builders out there. Okay, and don't forget, as I've already said, if you come back over to members tools, with your banners you can animate your banners. We'll show you how to do that with another tool that Martin's created. You can make your banners clickable, because it's okay having a banner, but we want to attach a URL to do it. So this tool will create that. You can rotate your banners, okay, and promote them in traffic exchanges and so on and so forth. And then we've got our free Buildabizonline image hosting that works in connection with this. Okay, so that's all in one on one line under banner building tools. Okay, but more tools will be added very, very shortly. We've got some more things coming. So Buildabizonline never stops, never stops going forward. So please don't quit. Please never quit. Don't be a quitter. And another thing, don't keep hopping from one program to another, trying to find the ultimate program. You've already got it with Buildabizonline. And you can make some serious commissions, as a lot of our members do. Okay, so this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for listening and bye for now. See you in another video. Bye.